Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This week I will be doing a deep dive into a stock named Greatech Technology Berhad, bearing stock ticker Greatec 0208, trading on main board of Bursa, Malaysia. If you did watch my latest video on VTROX, you may have seen some commented that they think Greatec will be a better ATE players over VTROX. Hence, this piqued my interest and I decided to dig into the fundamentals of Greatec, including its latest financial performance and the management outlook on its remaining 2024, and of course a peek into its latest chart analysis as well. So if you're keen to learn all about Greatec stock, make sure you watch this video till the end. Before I start, I would like to congratulate myself and my IM members on a winning trade which I locked in yesterday on VTROX and made a nice profit of 10.75% within 2 weeks time. Now let's get started. Greatech Technology Berhad was co-founded in 1997 in Penang, Malaysia by Datuk Seri Tan Eng Kee, who is now the current Executive Director and CEO of Greatec, and Mr. Koh Lian Heng, who is the current Executive Director and Chief Operating Officer of Greatec. It initially started as a provider of factory automation systems and equipment. Over the years, Greatec expanded its operations and capabilities into automation technologies. The company focused on enhancing its expertise in designing and manufacturing automation equipment for industries such as semiconductors, solar, and consumer electronics. On the 13th June 2019, Greatec was listed on the AIS market of Bursa Malaysia Securities Berhad under stock code 0208 and subsequently transferred to the main board of Bursa Securities on the 28th December 2020. Now, what does Greatech Technology do? Greatec is a Malaysian company specializing in industrial automation solutions for various industries. Here is a simplified breakdown of what they do. They help factories to automate their production line. In layman terms, imagine a factory that currently assembles electronics or solar panels by hand. Greatec comes in and designs, builds, and installs automated systems that can perform these tasks with machines, robots, and computer controls. With its automated system, it can help a company to first, increase efficiency by significantly speeding up production line, leading to higher output for factories. Second, help to improve quality as automated systems can perform tasks with greater precision and consistency compared to manual labors, and reducing errors and improving product quality. Third, help to reduce costs. While there is an initial investment in automation, it can lead to cost saving in the long run due to increased efficiency and reduced labor needs. And here's a deeper dive into Greatec services. First, it offers turnkey solutions. They offer a complete package from designing the automation system to installing and testing it, ensuring it functions smoothly within the factory. Second, it offers wide range of solutions. Greatec caters to diverse industries, not just electronics. This could include automating parts of solar panel production, semiconductor manufacturing, or even consumer electronics assembly lines. Third, it offers value-added services. Greatec doesn't just install the system and walk away. They offer training for factory workers to operate the new equipment and provide spare parts and maintenance support. Now, who are Greatech Technologies Berhad customers? Greatech Technologies Berhad serve a diverse range of customers based across the world, including China, India, Singapore, Vietnam, US, and certain European Union countries across different industries, and its clientele typically includes global MNC, which are US-based world leader in solar panels, and electric vehicle car battery manufacturers, smartphone maker, life sciences industry within pharmaceuticals and medical devices sector. In the semiconductor segment, the group serves global integrated device manufacturers, or in short IDMs, especially for sensors, loaders, and unloaders. As an automation solution provider, Greatech designs, develops, and produces the system, machinery, and equipment for its customers' manufacturing processes. The group also provides value-added services, including parts, trainings, and after-sales support. Where does Greatech Technology Berhad derive its main revenue from? Greatech, or the group, manages the business into three categories, namely production line system, or in short PLS, single automated equipment, SAE, and provision of parts and services, PSS, and across three main regions, namely North America, Europe, and Asia. Its first category, production line system. Greatech designs, develops, and installs automated production line systems for various industries, which help to automate tasks traditionally done by manual labor or with limited automation. They do this by using robots, conveyor belts, machine vision systems, and other automated equipment to streamline the production process. Its second category, single automated equipment, or SAE. While the primary focus is on complex production lines, Greatech also design and manufacture individual automated machines for specific tasks. This is especially so for companies that might not require a full-blown production line, yet could benefit from a single automated machine to improve efficiency in a specific area. For example, automated testing equipment, which help to perform specific tests on products to ensure functionality or safety standards. Its third category, provisions of parts and services, or PSS. Greatech doesn't just install the automated equipment and walk away. Their PSS offerings ensure the smooth operations and maintenance of the systems they design and install. PSS help generate recurring revenue for Greatech beyond the initial sales and installations of the production line system. Overall, Greatech's provisions of parts and services play a crucial role in supporting their core business and enhancing the customer base. By providing after-sales support and ensuring the smooth operation of their automated system, Greatech fosters stronger client relationship and positions itself as a reliable partner for factories looking to improve their production processes. As we can see from the graph here, the revenue composition for the group for the past 3 years, that is from 2021 to 2023, its production line system formed the bulk of the group's revenue consistently for the past 3 years, followed by single automated equipment's revenue in the financial year 2021 and 2022. We saw how in the financial year 2023, the revenue from single automated equipment dipped, but revenue from provision of parts and services increased to Rm 29.94 million versus Rm 17.55 million in the previous year of 2022. The decline of revenue from single automated equipment can be attributed to an existing e-mobility customer's decision to shift towards the PLS for their manufacturing operation. This is a good sign as it indicates that the sales of production line system, or in short PLS, is increasing, hence the needs for provisions of parts and services as the after-sales service support also increases in tandem. As illustrated by the map here, we could also see that North America region is a major contributor of revenue and home to some of Greatech high-growth customers in the solar and e-mobility sector. In financial year 2023, the region reported a revenue of Rm 506.11 million, marking a significant increase of 54.3% compared to Rm 328.03 million in the previous year. According to the management, the demand from North American customers remains strong, although supply chain disruptions and inflations are creating challenges for some of its customers. This is so due to the attractive secular trends that are fundamental for the global economy in the years ahead. And during financial year 2023, Greatech's revenue also experienced a substantial increase of Rm 7.04 million in the European market compared to financial year 2022. This notable growth can be primarily attributed to their recent acquisition of Greatech Integration Ireland Limited, formerly known as Allied Automation Limited (AAL), in financial year 2023. AL is a renowned automation company with an impressive 25 years of experience in development, design, and precision engineering of custom automated equipment for many of the world's leading medical device and life science companies. On the flip side, we could see that the revenue in the Asia region had decreased by 33.4% from RM 217.59 million in the financial year 2022 to RM 145.01 million in the financial year 2023, mainly due to the absence of large customers project that contributed to higher revenue in the prior year. As of February this year 2024, Greatec has an order book of up to RM 1.04 billion, which represents an overall increase of 36.8% compared to its previous year. The order book growth was primarily driven by orders from the solar, e-mobility, and life sciences sectors. Overall, Greatech Technology Berhad's profitability is driven by its ability to innovate in automation technologies, meeting the evolving needs of its diverse customer base, and effectively execute its business strategy to maximize revenue and operational efficiency. And who is Greatech's closest rival? Its closest rival, Pentamaster Corporation Berhad, which is listed on the main board, has a market cap of RM 3.55 billion as of 9 July 2024 this year versus Greatech market cap of RM 6.94 billion same day. Since you all know by now that Greatech is a profitable company, now I want to find out few other key financial metrics which I view as important personally from the viewpoint of an investor. First, ROE or return on equity, which Greatech has about 22.6%. ROE is the measure of a company's net income divided by its shareholder equity. Investors use ROE to gauge of a corporation's profitability and how efficiently it generates those profits. The higher the ROE, the better a company is at converting its equity financing into profits. But in order for us to know if 22.6% is deemed as good, we need to compare it with its peers. In Malaysia, the other ATE players listed on Bursa are Greatec, Pentamaster, and Me Technovation. From this chart, we could clearly see that Greatec emerged as the best among its peers, recording 22.6% ROE. Second, debt to equity ratio. Greatec has a low debt to equity ratio of 2.64% only, and in my previous video on Vitrox, I did elaborate on the importance of having low debt to equity ratio as it would help render flexibility to the company to raise more funds easily should circumstances render it necessary for Greatec at any point of time during their going concern period. Third, positive levered free cash flow. Having a positive levered free cash flow of RM 48.8 million on its trailing 12 months. Levered free cash flow is the amount of money that a company has left remaining after paying all of its financial obligations. So, from my personal investment perspective, Greatec has passes all the key financial metrics and is deemed as a company with good fundamental and worth investing into, in my opinion. Greatec's latest financial year 2023 earnings achieved a major milestone for the group, showcasing an impressive revenue of RM 658.75 million. This achievement stands as their highest ever revenue thus far since its listing on Bursa Malaysia way back in 2019, recording a noteworthy of 20.6% year-over-year increase in revenue compared to the previous years of RM 546.21 million. It also managed to deliver a 70% growth in its earnings per ordinary share. According to the management, such exceptional growth was primarily attributed to organic expansion in the e-mobility, solar, and life science segment, and which is also a testament of Greatec's ability to thrive amidst the challenges posed by supply chain disruption and inflation faced by manufacturing businesses globally throughout the year of 2023. Greatec now has a total of 4 manufacturing plants at Batu Kawan Industrial Park, Penang. I personally went down to Batu Kawan Industrial Park recently to capture all their 4 plants on this video. This is Greatec Plant 1, the first plant at Batu Kawan. This is Greatec Plant 2. Wow, look at how long it is. their Plant 3 front gate. The building is pretty new. Here I'm standing, here is Greatech integration with their latest Plant 4. Newly completed as well. Stated there, accelerate the future. Their investment in the 4th new manufacturing plant is fully operational now with effect from May 2024, and that is this year. The state-of-the-art technology is integrated into this 4th new plant, which will not only help to boost its production capacity, but also allows production innovations and set the stage for future growth. So what is Greatech market outlook going forward? After having achieved a positive financial performance and maintaining a strong order book for the financial year ended 31st December 2023, it is good to hear that Greatech management is optimistic about sustaining this momentum well into 2024. Greatech ambitions promising long-term growth prospect in the renewable energy market, propelled by ambitious climate targets and widespread decarbonization initiative led by the USA and other governments globally. The ongoing transition to cleaner and greener energy sources is poised to fuel future demand significantly. According to the management, Greatech Production Line System (PLS) shall play a pivotal role in reducing the costs associated with generating renewable energy, presenting distinctive niche opportunities for Greatech within this burgeoning market. Greatech's significant experience in the solar market and their ability to cope with customization will allow them to support the new generation of solar technology. Secondly, the management also opined that the outlook for the e-mobility market remains favorable, with governments worldwide incentivizing the transition to sustainable electric mobility through tax benefits and financial incentives. The automotive industry's focus on EV launches aligns with emission reductions goal, fostering a consistent year-on-year demand for e-mobility solutions. The group is dedicated to strengthening their relationship with EV and battery technology manufacturers, addressing their specific challenges and supporting the transition towards greener alternatives. On top of that, in the life science sector, the significance of new technologies in enhancing quality of life has heightened the global demand for advanced healthcare solutions. The group observed a robust resurgence in hospital spending and heightened activities within pharmaceuticals and medical devices sector. In anticipating the rising healthcare needs driven by aging populations worldwide, Greatech has closely collaborated with their customers to address their requirements and accommodate the surge in demand. And Greatech facilities also adhere to the stringent medical manufacturing standards, ensuring accreditations to meet the exacting requirement of their customers. Given the quality of their order book till to date and the pipeline of secured contracts, Greatech management anticipate achieving better growth in operating profit and increasing their net cash balances in 2024. This confidence is underpinned by key market drivers and strategic advancement made throughout the year, demonstrating Greatech dedication to enhancing value for all stakeholders. Since we know by now that Greatech is a great company with good prospect, at least for the whole of 2024, but at the current price Greatech is trading, that is around 5 ringgit and 66 cents as I'm making this video, is it a good long entry level? And to answer this, we need to analyze and read its latest chart pattern, which I love it the most. At a glance, we could see that since Greatech debuted on Bursa Malaysia way back in June 2019, its stock price has been climbing up steadily for the next 3 years, charting an all-time high of 7 ringgit and 50 cents around September 2021 before pivoting and crashing down all the way to be an all-time low of 2 ringgit and 81 cents around March 2022, which represent a decline of up to 62% within a span of 7 months. Wow, 62% crash is painful. This is why entry price when buying into a stock, even if it is of a great company, is super important. Ever since then, Greatech stock price has been trading in an uptrend parallel channel as shown on the chart here. Looking at the current chart pattern, Greatech stock price seems to be making a broad base, which is usually a sign of bullishness consolidation in order to go up higher. But I also see that at current price Greatech stock is trading, that is around 5 ringgit and 66 cents. It also coincides with its previous bearish pivot point level, and if I look at the RSI indicator below, it is also almost breaching the 70 level, which usually indicate exhaustion around the corner. So I will not choose to buy into Greatech stock at current price level because I am anticipating that there is a high probability that a pullback from the current level down to at least around 5 ringgit 26 cents is high. And if this support level got breached, it may continue to retrace down to the next support at around 5 ringgit. Should this pullback occur, I would be more than happy to start my long position into Greatech stock. See what I mean? Imagine when Greatech stock price rallied up from 4 ringgit 61 cents on 15 May this year to around 5 ringgit 38 cents on 23rd May 2024 this year within 6 trading days. And your patience finally run thin and you sort of FOMO into buying Greatech stock at around 5 ringgit 38 cents so that you no longer misses out on the rally boat. Then see what happened the subsequent trading days. Yes, Greatech stock started to cradle 2 days later and retraced down all the way to all-time low of 4 ringgit 84 cents on 25th June. That's when you could have been cursing yourself and said, I knew it, this stock market is against me. When I don't buy, it continued surging higher. The minute I bought, it crashes down, damn it. And some would have sold off their position angrily too. Sound familiar? Yeah, trust me, I've been there as well, but not anymore. Ever since I mastered the chart reading and analysis skill, I avoid buying into a stock when it has been surging higher for continuous days. Instead, I would be patient, keep it under my watch list and wait for a healthy retracement back down to a strong support level before I would start a long position into a stock which I am eyeing, and in this instance would be Greatech. Of course, there are some isolated cases where the stock price continued surging higher without much pulling back, but in that case, I'm okay to miss out on that trade as I know there are still plenty of other high probability trade waiting for me to uncover and buy. So yeah, as of now, I do not own any Greatech stock yet. And do you know that back in June 2020, Penta Corp Berhad, its closest rival, had a market cap of RM 2.35 billion, which was slightly higher than Greatech back then, which only had a market cap of RM 2.316 billion. But fast forward to today, 4 years later, things have taken a turn. Greatech is now sitting on a market cap of RM 6.94 billion versus Penta Corp at RM 3.55 billion. Both have grown its market cap, but Greatech has clearly overtaken Penta by RM 1.95 billion in its market cap within a span of 4 years. Greatech has also grown its market cap by almost 3 times, whereas Penta has grown its market cap by 1.5 times. Greatech management must be really doing all things right in order to propel the group into such significant growth. Don't you agree? Phew, I have finally come to the end of my sharing for today. If you like the content of my sharing today, remember to smash onto the like button below to let me know. Feel free to comment on your thoughts on Greatech stock. Would you buy into Greatech stock now at current level? If yes, why? And if no, why? Bye, and I shall see you again in my next video.